one and two-way slab. One-way slab. In reinforced concrete design, the slab is said to be one way if the length of the longer side divided by the length of the shorter side is equal to or greater than 2. With reference to the diagram of the slab panel shown, the length of the longer side Ly is 5 meters and the shorter side Lx is 2.5 meters, then Ly over Lx is equal to 5 meters over 2.5 meters, which is equal to 2. So this shows that this slab is a one-way slab. On structural panels, the symbol used to identify a one-way slab panel is this. This is the symbol. You find it on floor plans. In a one-way slab design, the main reinforcement steel spans along the shorter side of the slab, which is also called the span of the slab. So in a one-way slab design, this 2.5 meters here, which is the shorter side, is the span of the slab, and it's also where the main reinforcements span. In a one-way slab design, only the two long supporting beams along the long side of the slab is assumed to carry the slab load equally between them. So looking at this diagram, the two long beams are beam A and beam B. So in a one-way design, they carry the whole slab load. They share the slab load between them. Beam A carries half of the total slab load and beam B carries the other half. The beams along the shorter side do not carry any slab load. That is in a one-way slab design. Beam C and beam D are not carrying any load from the slab panel. For instance, with reference to this diagram of a one-way slab, beam 1 carries half of the slab load and beam 2 takes the remaining half. None of the slab load is carried by beams 3 and beams 4. This makes beam 1 and 2, this beam 1 and beam 2, the critical beams. Note that this beam 1 and beam 2 are carrying the whole load of the slab panel. Beams 3 and beam 4 will not be carrying any slab load, but may carry wall load and part of root load. Now let's talk about a two-way slab. If the length of the longer side divided by that of the shorter side is less than 2, the slab should be designed as a two-way slab. Now with reference to the diagram shown, this diagram, the length of the longer side Ly, this is the longer side Ly, is equal to 6 meters, and that of the shorter side Lx, this is the shorter side Lx, is equal to 4.75. So therefore, if we divide Ly by Lx, we get 6 over 4.75, which is equal to 1.26, and 1.26 is less than 2, which makes this slab a two-way slab. So it should be designed as a two-way slab. Now the symbol of a two-way slab is as shown. So this is the symbol. Now on structural plans or floor plans, you see the symbol, then it was a two-way slab. In a two-way slab design, the main steel reinforcement spans in both directions. So you can see the main reinforcement along the shorter side and that along the longer side, and that is why it's called a two-way slab. All 4 supporting beams carry some part of the slab load, but the beams along the longer side carry more of the slab load than the beams along the shorter side. The loading on beams for a two-way slab is as shown. Note that beams 1 and beam 2 carry more slab load than beam 3 and beam 4. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this short tutorial, like and subscribe to my channel.